What's up, guys? Welcome to Waka Motorsports. These are the current rear brakes on the Lemons car. They're drums. I went out and found some disc brakes for this car. They're actually off an Integra. The front spindles are off of an SI, so we're able to run a slightly bigger rotor on both the front and rear. All the rears become discs. These are in really crappy condition. They haven't been touched in years. We're going to try and clean them up now. We're going to clean them up, take them apart, hopefully try and rebuild them so they work, and put them on the race car. We're going to start with a power wash. We'll take them apart. This is going to be a little different than your normal video. Not really going to rock a bunch of music. Not really going to talk much over it. You're just going to get a raw video of how frustrating it was to work on these. If you can, hit like, subscribe. I hope you enjoy.
Ready? Yeah. There. Watch out. Hold this rag up here. That smells like brake fluid now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Now we're gonna... I don't know what this is for, but we're taking it out. But put it back on, that's all. Oh, man. Hold it.
Let's see this.
Baby brake pads. Gonna have to hold it. 15. Oh, wait a minute. That's it, it's on. You got it? Hold it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's broken. Grab the vice grip. Hang on. Go ahead.
Nope.
The vice grip spun?
No. It came out.
Alright, hold on. I don't want to break it.
Oh. Nice.
The bucket.
Hey.
Your bucket. Yeah.
Oh.
Got it all. Okay. I'll hold this.
Yeah.
You lift this up out of my way. That's it. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough.
That's the biggest you got?
Hold on. Alright, go ahead. Nope. Which way are you going to go with it?
Yeah.
Put that on the end. That's it. Come on. It's going.
Are you sure? I feel like I'm just gonna rip.
I gotta get dinner.
You're going the wrong way. I mean, you're going the right way, but there it goes. Here, take this off, will you? Put it on here.
She's good.
Miles took 5 steps yesterday.
Let the.
Easy. You broke it. Go ahead. Easy, go ahead. Coming out. There you go. That's what I wanted. Nice. Easy again. Now you can go. Good. On it. You're off. Nice. Nice. Hey.
All right, so here's the finished product. We definitely skipped a couple of steps in this video on showing you how we got here. But if this video kept going the way I was editing it, it was going to be about a 4-hour video. Total process to get these to look like this was probably about 5.5 to 6 hours. The cleaning and deconstruction on top of the rebuilding and painting, yeah, about 5.5, 6 hours. They're on the car. They are ready to go. They're going to assist us in the braking department. I think they look great. Hopefully they help us handle a little better, stop a bit better. And we're going to have to work on a new suspension, maybe a new coilover setup to go with these. If you watched this long, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you can, hit like, subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And until next time, peace. And a huge shout out to Attention to Detail Professional Cleaning for sponsoring this episode.